We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach.
I want to build the biggest sandcastle ever.
Calm down, both of you. We still need to pack everything. Raj, did you put the sunscreen in the bag?
Yes, I put 2 bottles.
Good. We need to protect their skin from the sun. Arav, Mira, come here. Let me put your swimming costumes in this bag.
Mama, can I bring my toy boat?
Of course. That's a wonderful idea. You can sail it in the water.
I want to bring my bucket and spade for making sandcastles.
Pack it, princess. Put them in the car. I also packed your colorful beach ball.
I'm also bringing extra towels and dry clothes. Oh, and the first aid kit, just in case.
Mama, why do we need a first aid kit?
Sometimes people get small cuts or scrapes. It's good to be prepared. Did everyone eat breakfast? The beach is 2 hours away.
Yes, Mama. I ate my cereal and a banana. I ate toast with jam.
All right, everyone, put on your hats and get in the car.
I'm ready. I'm wearing my pink hat. And I'm wearing my blue cap with the shark on it.
You both look wonderful. Now, let's go! Yeah. All right, kids, bucket in the car.
Cooler is in. Got the bucket?
Come in here.
Arav, do you remember the last time we went to the beach? You were so scared of the waves.
I was not scared. I was just being careful.
There is nothing wrong with being careful, son. The ocean is very powerful.
Will the waves be big today, Papa?
We will see when we get there. If they are too big, you will stay in the shallow water.
Safety first. You both need to promise me that you will not go into the water without Papa or me.
Look, I can see the ocean. There it is.
We are almost there. Just 10 more minutes. Here we are. Everyone out. We need to set up our spot first.
Raj, can you put up the umbrella here? I will spread out these towels.
Arav, can you help Papa hold this pole?
Yes, Papa.
Okay, push it down firmly.
It's in.
Mama, can we go in the water now?
Not yet, sweetheart. First, you both need to change into your swimming clothes. We cannot swim in these regular clothes.
Okay, Mom. Yay!
Your swimming costume is in this bag. Arav, take your swimming shorts.
Yay, thanks.
Mira, here is your swimming costume.
Yay, thank you.
There is a changing room over there. Arav, you go with Papa. Mira, you come with me and do not forget to bring your regular clothes back.
Look, Mama, I am wearing my colorful swimming shorts. And I am wearing my pink swimming costume.
Do I look pretty? You look very pretty, Mira.
All right, let's go to the beach.
Now, before you go in the water, we need to put sunscreen. The sun is very strong today. Hold still, Arav. I need to put sunscreen on your shoulders and back. Close your eyes, Mira. I am putting some on your face now. Good girl. If you do not wear sunscreen, your skin will burn and it will hurt very much.
Can we go in the water now?
Yes, but remember the rules. Stay where we can see you, do not go too deep, and if you feel tired, come back to shore immediately.
Ooh, the water is cold.
It tickles my toes.
Let's go in a little deeper. Slowly, slowly, don't rush.
Papa, can we swim now?
You don't know how to swim properly yet, princess. You can float with your swimming ring. Take it from your mom.
Now I can float like a fish.
Yes, you can, sweetie.
That's my little fish. Cool, Mira. All right, let's go back to our spot. We can dry off and have some lunch first.
Good timing. I'm hungry too. Come on, everyone. Here, I made cheese sandwiches and some with jam. Which do you want?
Cheese, please.
Here you go.
This is great, Priya.
I'm glad.
These taste delicious. Nothing beats eating lunch at the beach.
Here are some apple slices and juice boxes too. You need to stay hydrated in this heat.
Let's walk along the beach and collect some shells. We can use them to decorate the sandcastle.
Great idea!
Yay, shells! I want to find a big one.
Look over there, children. Can you see those birds? They're called seagulls.
They're flying so high and making loud sounds. Look at this one. It's shaped like a spiral.
That's called a conch shell. It's beautiful.
Papa, what's this? It's hard and looks like a star.
That's a starfish. Well done, Mira. But we should put it back in the water.
I think we have enough shells now. Can we build the castle?
Yes! Let's go back to our spot and create something amazing. All right, first we need to make a big pile of sand. Everyone help me dig and pile it up.
Like this, Papa?
Perfect!
Keep going!
I'm making towers.
Good job, Mira. Make several towers and we'll put them around the main castle.
I'm putting shells on top. Look how pretty.
Beautiful. Let's put some shells along the walls too.
Mama, can we make a moat around the castle?
Excellent idea. A moat is the water channel that goes around a castle. Let's dig one.
I'm filling the moat with water.
Great teamwork, everyone! This is the best sandcastle I've ever seen.
Can we take a picture with it, Mama?
Of course. Everyone gather around the castle. Big smiles.
I wish we could take it home with us.
Unfortunately, we can't. But we have pictures to remember it.
It's almost 5 o'clock. We should start packing up.
Come on, help Mama and me pack everything. Arav, you collect the toys.
Before we leave, let's rinse off the sand. There's a shower over there.
All right, now everyone needs to change back into their regular clothes. We can't drive home in wet swimming costumes.
Goodbye, beach. Thank you for a wonderful day.
Goodbye, ocean. Goodbye, sandcastle.
Papa, I'm tired now.
I know, sweetie.
Me too.
Almost there, kids.
That's normal after a day at the beach. All that swimming and playing in the sun makes you tired. You can sleep in the car on the way home.
Okay, Mommy.
Me too.
All right, family. Let's head home.
In this video, we have learned sentences and conversations about going to the beach, making sandcastle, and having fun by the sea. And now it's time for the quiz. What is the name of the spiral shell Arav found on the beach? Comment your answer below and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss our next video. Stay tuned for more fun and helpful learning videos.